and welcome to my project, which is a rock paper scissor project. I made this project in August 2023 while I was learning JavaScript. This is a very basic project. This is a normal rock paper scissor game between you and the computer, and there are three images, and it all has hover property, as you can see. And this is a simple game. Like if I'll choose rock, then I have lost. The computer has chosen paper, and if I'll do this, then I have again lost, and I'm losing. Oh my god, the AI has finally taken over us. Finally I win one. When you will win, this will show a win uh, text, and when I win, this is show a green background your text as you have won, you win. And when I lose, like this time the game was draw, then it will show a play again message, and the score will update as per the conditions, like who has won, me or the computer. So this time I am losing, the computer is winning. So I'll show you my source code. So as you can see, this is the source code for my Stone Paper Scissor project. This is a HTML file, this is a CSS file, and this is the JavaScript file. The brain, the skin, and the skeleton. So this is a fairly basic HTML, you can understand it. Here I have linked the CSS. This is for making the individual diffs for the rock, paper, and the scissor. This is to update the scoreboard, and here I have linked the JavaScript file. So this is a very basic HTML. The class is the choice for each of the choices for the user, Stone Paper Scissor, and the ID is given are individual. Now moving on to the CSS, this is a fairly basic styling. As you can see, there is nothing much special, just the hover. This is the hover property. You can see online, you can just copy and paste the hover property and set it according to your code. As you can see here, this is done all according to the classes and the IDs, the styling. Now moving on to the basic JavaScript code. This is the brain. Initially the score has been set to 0, and then from here, see this function mat.float mat.random. This is being used to produce a random number, and by multiplying by 3, what this function do is it produces a random number between 0 and 1, and when every time we'll click, this will produce a random number, and by multiplying by 3 we can set that number from 1, 2 and 3, 0, 1 and 3, sorry 0, 1 and 2. So here we are randomly selecting the index of rock, paper and scissor. So this is the logic for selecting rock, paper and scissor for the computer, which is random. And this is just to update the score and to show that the banner you saw there, that who beats who, and the green color if the user win, and the red color if the computer win. So this is the basic code for choosing the winner. Here we are storing the computer choice from the randomly generated computer choice function, which we saw earlier. Like this is the random generated computer index for choosing rock, paper, scissor randomly. If the user choice and the computer choice is same, then the game will be draw. Then we call the draw game function, which we made here. It will show the inner text as the game was draw, play again. And moving on to the other conditions, like if the user choice is rock and the computer choice is paper, then obviously computer won. And or else if it's scissor computer choice, then the user win. So this is a true false condition. Similarly, these are the other condition, and this is the event listener for getting the input from the user. So this is all the code. I have explained it. These are all the file app.js, style.css, and index.html. You can copy this code. I have provided the link in the description. You just have to copy all these files, put it in the same folder, and open the index.html file. Then you can use this code. It has all the 3 files. If you liked it, please give it a like if you want, and you can also share this video if you want. and this is the game which you will see on the window. And let's see rock. So it's a draw paper. Again the computer. Finally we won, and finally we have beaten the computer. That's the final. So thank you all for seeing this project. I wish that this project will help you in learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And in your learning journey, you can check out my LinkedIn, which I've given the link in the description. So thank you for your time.